What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, just as promised, I will be kickstarting my room makeover with the floating shelves that I got from builders. And for those who are new, guys, this is a DIY channel. So, I will be DIYing the shelves that I got from builders, as I've mentioned. So, please stay tuned for that. I'll be taking you guys through the process. I'll be telling you what I found difficult and what was easy. But for the most part, guys, this was really fun, and I hope that you guys are gonna enjoy just as much as I enjoyed installing them. So, yeah, guys, stay tuned. So as you guys can see, I am going to be using my spirit level to make sure that everything is nice and level and that nothing is sitting skewed or anything like that. And guys, I know I'm out here looking like a soldier, but I was trying to put the shelves, like, I was trying to figure out a way to put the shelves in a way that's going to look nice. So the first thing that you have to make sure you do is to line your bracket to the wall. So as you guys can see here, I'm going in with my drill bit, but I'm just making a little bit of dent on where I made my markings, which I will show later on how to do that. There are little holes in the brackets, so that's where I made my markings, but I will be only piercing 2 holes because I don't want a lot of holes in the wall. And right here I am hammering down my wall plugs. This is where the screws are going to go in. They are basically to just make sure that your screws sit snugly in the walls. So as you guys can see, I was struggling with the wall plug here. I even had to take it out with my teeth because that was literally the nearest thing I could think of or use to take it out. The hole that I made wasn't deep enough for it to go in. So what I'm doing here is that I'm taking down the measurements so that the proportions are the same, the spaces in between are the same. And yeah, we don't want, one big space and then the one at the bottom is small. So that's what I'm doing. The only struggle that I had with this project was only the drill bit part. I feel like my drill bit was too small for the nails that have been provided, so I had to go in a couple of times with my drill to make sure that the hole is big enough. So yeah guys, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really had an amazing time installing this. So if you guys attempt this, please do feel free to DM me. You can even comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on my next video.